everyone, my name is Katie Bacher and I'm your student's chemistry teacher. Unfortunately, I'm unable to attend open house, so I wanted to give you an opportunity to kind of get a glimpse of our course and see what I would share in person. So a little bit about me. This is my 14th year here at LHS. Prior to LHS, I did Teach for America in rural North Carolina at a Title I school. It was very different from LHS, but it was a really valuable experience for me. And then I have both my undergrad and graduate degrees from U of I. This is my family. So I have two sons, Lucas and Harrison. We all love to go fishing. If you've been to Independence Grove, I caught that pike at Independence Grove a couple years back, and I missed a muskie that was even bigger. And then we also like to do a lot of muskie fishing too. So we'll go to the Chain, or we'll go to Green Bay or Canada for that. One thing I really like to focus on with students is the importance of communication and collaboration. So in class, we'll do a lot of activities to really help build that skill. One thing I focus on is this idea that every student has a different knowledge set and a different background, and by bringing in the different knowledge sets and backgrounds, we're able to create a better product. This is my schedule for this semester. So as you can see, during the day I really only have lunch free. So if students want to meet with me, the best time would be before school. I'm typically in my room by 8 o'clock. If a student knows that they want me to be in here by 8 or 8:15, all they have to do is email me and I can make sure to be in here and not running copies. If a student needs help throughout the day, the workshop has science teachers who are available all periods that they can go in there and they can get some help there too. This year, Miss Vukovics, or Miss V, is going to be our science interventionist, and she's going to be popping in to some of our classes to help out. She's just an extra layer of support. She can meet with the students in class and give some more individualized feedback, or she might meet with students down in the workshop. So if your student is talking about Miss V, she's our science interventionist, and she will be joining us. I'm going to go ahead and go over the course syllabus really quick. I have linked this in the some more for you. The big thing here is to make sure you've got my email down. We have a phone number, but it goes straight to voicemail. So if you try to call us, it goes to voicemail, which turns into an email, and then I have to listen to that email. So if you ever wanted me to give you a call back, sending me an email just saying, hey, Mrs. Bacher, when you get a chance, please call me at this number. I'll see that a lot faster than a voicemail coming through. The course syllabus has a description, the material list. We do use our Chromebooks and a calculator quite a bit in this course, so make sure that your student has that coming into class. And then I'll go through the grade breakdown for you as well. So for our course, our summatives, which are our tests, are 80% of our overall grade. Coursework and labs will be 20%, and then we will have a final exam that's going to be 15% of our grade. For our summatives, students are allowed to go through one reassessment, so they can reassess on each unit test. The deadline or the timeline they have is an entire month from the initial administration. Whatever score they get on the reassessment is going to replace the original score. So if they got a 65% the first time and they get an 85% the second time, the 85% goes in. If they got a 65% the first time and they get a 60% the second time, the 60% goes in. And all they have to do to qualify is just fill out the Google form in Google Classroom to let me know they're ready for that reassessment. They're absolutely welcome to come in and work with me before school, go into the workshop, find a time to meet with Miss B, but there are no requirements for them to complete that reassessment form. If you have any questions, here's my email again. And again, I'm super excited to have these students in class this year. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you have a good rest of your evening.